Hello everyone, welcome to an unboxing video of the Cypress PSoC6 BLE Pioneer kit. In front of me is the cardboard package which is well designed and it can store the kit while not in use. To its left and right we have the Cypress company logo and the PSoC6 website URL. Also there's an precaution to handle electrostatic sensitive devices. The box has a magnetic flap to open and close. Let me turn around the box to have a look at the bottom. It has links to additional resources, company address, and numbers to call for support. It's now time to have a look at what's inside the box. Let's open it. The inside is well built as the outside. It has sponge to protect the kit. The first is the quick start guide. Let me show it to the camera. The first page has the contents of the kit, the SizeSmart mobile application, and how to power up the PSoC6. And the second page also continues with powering up the kit and also how to use the mobile application. The third and fourth has the BLE Pioneer board pinout details. Next we have 4 jumper wires and 2 proximity wires. Next is the USB Type A to Type C cable, which is well built. Next is the PSoC6 BLE Pioneer board with the e-ink display shield, which comes preloaded with the Cypress company logo. At last we have the SizeSmart BLE 4.2 USB dongle. Nice foam to pack all these safely. Subscribe to my channel to stay tuned, as this will be the first video of the series on PSoC6 BLE Pioneer kit road test. Thanks to Element14 for sponsoring this kit and thank you for watching.